Hello guys and welcome to this video of my channel, and today's I'm going to show you guys, as you all know, that I am not active in this channel for quite long bit, for 2 or 3 days, as I am posting my videos on a gap of 2 or 3 days, but I didn't post the videos like that. And the reason behind this is I am working on a single projector, and today's I'm going to show you guys how what I make. So let's go. So web series info, that you could go to this app and you could ask for any web series, like we have these all. And if you don't search, you could explore these web series like this. And if I let's click one web series, then you could go at the end point of the web series into the synopsis of this web series, and now you could see whatever there is the synopsis, like what the web series stands for, the genre, the language, runtime, status, that the status is running or not. And then these are the characters of these particular web series, as you can see. And this is kind of cool if you are a beginner and you're just trying to grab up your all knowledge into one place and trying to do something which kind of cool. It's very cool. And also I fetched the episodes, like you could see, but not, you could not watch the episode, you could only see the info of the episode and image of the episode, as you can see now. And yeah, it's kind of cool idea, as I said. And it's very easy if you know some of the basics, like fetching promises and other stuff. And I was thinking that hopefully in future I will make a video on my channel explaining all this stuff and all these API things. If you want it quickly one, and if you know all the stuff and you wanted to see how I make this one, all the code, all the source code, so let me know in the comment section. I will make a video, okay. And then in the end I have the images, like the posters and all that stuff we have, okay. As you could see, the image quality is very good. And let's go outside of this. And this is the main function. You could go to any web series and any other stuff, and then see what's going on and what's the synopsis of that web series, okay. Also, you could change the theme. As you could see now, I changed the theme. I could change the theme as I wish. This circle which changes color as according to our theme, okay. And then what I did is I created a search anything that you could search, like let's say I search for str- stranger. And I try to search for stranger thing, but I just type stranger. So it will fetch up all that information and show it to my screen. It's taking some time because my internet connection is low, okay. So let's do it one more time. Yeah, now, yeah, as you could see now, guys, the internet connection is low. That's why it's taking up some time. Okay, as you could see, I'm connecting my phone to this, and that's the reason why it's happening. Okay, so now you could see I have all that stuff. And now this is the as you could see. So this is how you could see all that stuff. You could see the synopsis. You could go to the official website of this uh, particular particular web series. You could see the uh, cast members, their character name, as you can see now, and what their real name is, and all that stuff. It's kind of cool to use these websites to get your knowledge about things and what you have to watch. And now, as you could see, you could see the chapters, how it's going, how it's running, and all that stuff. Also, these are the images, okay. And the one thing, if you want to use that, you wanted to use, like I didn't use any bootstrap or any other framework for any other thing. I didn't use any framework. If you want to use, you could use and change these two in a carousel and other stuff, like other cool stuff, and it's kind of cool, okay. But I didn't use that because I don't want to be make things like complex which you can't understand, okay. This is why the reason I just created just created a thing like that contain the main content of JavaScript, because JavaScript is important. Once you get all that information into your system, then it will very easy to just throw it to your HTML document. It's very easy, and get grab it all the styling. Styling is not so much of difficult. We could do styling by our own. So these are the all images, posters, and all that stuff you could see at the bottom. You could go at the top, okay. And also here you could change the themes. As you could guys see how I'm changing the themes, and you could also add different colors, different themes, but I just added two because I like them. Okay, and now you could go inside of these, and it's kind of cool. If also guys, I wanted to show you the source code of this. As you could see, this is the script file I have. Okay, these are the all API URLs I am using of, and this is a DOM element, and I'm fetching all that information into my system or into my HTML document. It's easy. The main logic, once you understand the main logic, it will very easy for you. Okay, also this is the main documentation I read from right here and just applied it, and it's a very cool documentation. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to go this website and do something amazing, because it's free and it doesn't need an API key also, and also it the documentation is very beautiful. You could learn many things from documentation also. Okay, and you are practicing, then it's cool, then it doesn't need anything like that. Okay, so this is the whole stuff you I want to show you guys all, and if you like, please like and subscribe, comment to the section if you want the tutorial on this one, and hope you enjoy all this type of content, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.